In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video gallery on a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site and open the website where you want to add the YouTube gallery. Before returning to Weebly, open a new tab and go to elfsite.com. Then sign in to your Elfsite account. Click Add New App, search for YouTube Gallery and select it. Choose a gallery template that matches your website. Then click Continue with this template. Paste your YouTube channel or playlist URL into the required field. Customize the gallery if needed and click Publish. After publishing, return to your Elfsite dashboard. Click the three-dot menu next to your YouTube Gallery app and select Embed Code. Copy the embed code provided. Now go back to your Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, locate the embed code element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to display the full list. Drag the embed code element onto your page where you want the gallery to appear. Click the element, select Edit Custom HTML and paste the embed code you copied from Elfsite. Once you're finished, save and publish your website. Your YouTube video gallery will now appear on your Weebly page for visitors to browse and watch your videos. That's how to embed a YouTube video gallery on a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.